Hi everyone, this is my final project, RecipeRadar. It's a recipe discover app that helps you find meals based on the ingredient that you already have at home. And it also helps you to save your personal favorite, like you can favorite a recipe and unfavorite them. And also have and the favorite page is also it also have top 10 recipe like that's rated by other user. So I will show you my demo. So let's log in with a user. Okay, here is my home page. So when you log in, you should see the search bar and filter by. We allowing user to filter by ingredient, name, and category. And there's a search button, and under that we have a list of the recipe. It's in default that the list of recipe that I have is I have the ingredient chicken. So let's try doing a search. So let's search by salmon. So it returns back a list of recipe that includes the salmon in their ingredient. You can click into one of them to see. So you can see here is our recipe detail page, which have the recipe name, category, area, where it's from, and the ingredient, and the instruction of how to do this meal. And in the ingredient, there's salmon, so that's why it returns back this meal. And let's go back and let's try one more searching by name. So so right now it returned it where the name has pie in there. So yeah, and let's try to favorite one of them. So you can favorite this recipe here. So click on the favorite. So it should be in the favorite page right now. And you can also go inside to see the recipe detail. Let's go back and we can go to the favorite page. And here's our new added recipe. And you can also unfavorite them. So it will remove it from this list. And we also have this top 10 recipe where I already have some data in there. Whereas like here, this recipe is like by three user, including yourself. Um, the one that's not favorite that you not favorite that it would show the border heart sign that's you did not favorite that. You can also click on it and then see the detail of that recipe. And if you want to favorite it, you can go to the recipe detail page. Also have a favorite button for you to favorite. If you do the favorite, and when you go back, the light will be incremented. And if you go to my favorite, that recipe is also added to my favorite tab. And there's also another page where it's the random page. So when you click on it, it would generate a random recipe for you. It's going also to it's similar to the recipe detail page, where it's having all the instruction, ingredient, the name, and the image. And you can also favorite it. And you can also, there's another refresh button where it's when you click on it, it generate another random recipe for you. And let's go back to the favorite page, and you can see the recipe that we just added. And think that's it for my project. You can scroll when you let's do one more search. Let's do seafood for category. Okay, and this returns all the category that's all seafood, and you can scroll all the way down. It's getting all the recipe that have the seafood from the API that I use. So it's pretty fun application, and um, that's it. And I will be helpful for discovering receipt based on what you have at home. So if you decide not, you don't know what to cook that day, and then look at your refrigerator and you find a ingredient, and you can just go to this app and then to see what can you make out of it. So that's it. That is my final project, and thank you guys.